Hello and welcome to this city update for the small independent city-state of Brickostan. Since last time I've been working on this canopy for the station and the platforms also. I created this platform here. So now both tracks has a platform. About here they are quite the same height. But this track in the back is higher up here, so the platform is also higher up. I also created some billboards. And here the sewer babies are killing a person, or at least their mom is killing some kind of decapitation. I created a small bridge here since last time and tiled up this area here. And all the green stuff, that's because these two Lego employees here are handing out some flyers. But people seems to be throwing them everywhere, also in the water. So this guy is sweeping up the flyers. Also this machine is sweeping them up. So in here there's a small baby being eaten by a shark. A lot of blood. Blood here. Blood here. That's what every Lego city needs, more blood. And here up here, I created some kind of building, maybe for the train station. The roof is not pretty at all. I need to change that, maybe put up in another floor on the building. But I kind of like the facade with the tan and white. Yeah. And this elevator is bringing people from the platform down to this area. There are two people in the elevator right now, on the lift. I don't think I've made any changes in this area since last time. One thing. A lot of weird types are now in the prison. I don't know if it's refugees but they are kept here, maybe for security reasons. And some wild horses are loose. So this area I don't think changed much since last time. Up here there's a guy on a motorcycle jumping over the bridge, and then another guy here selling balloons, different kind of balloons.
Brickostan.
And up here it's a mess, random stuff in the pile. Yeah, I think that's it. See you!